Apple has recently unveiled the first beta version of iOS 17.5, marking another step forward in the evolution of its iPhone operating system. This early release, primarily aimed at developers, offers a glimpse into the new features and changes that are expected to enhance the user experience. One of the most notable updates in iOS 17.5 is the ability for users in EU countries to directly install iOS apps from developer websites, breaking away from Apple's traditional walled garden approach. This change, influenced by the EU's Digital Markets Act, allows for greater flexibility and access to a wider range of apps. Additionally, iOS 17.5 is set to introduce a significant security enhancement with the rollout of a universal anti-tracking system. This new feature, developed in collaboration with Google, aims to combat stalking by enabling users to recognize and disable non-Apple certified gadgets through the updated Find My app. As exciting as these features are, it's important to remember that iOS 17.5 is still in beta. This means it might contain bugs and is primarily intended for testing and development purposes. Users keen on exploring these new updates can download the beta, but it's advised to proceed with caution and be aware of potential risks such as data loss or device issues. Apple continues to push the boundaries of its iOS, and iOS 17.5 Beta 1 is just a hint of what's to come in the future updates. As Apple unveils iOS 17.5 Beta 1, it sets the stage for an exciting array of new features and enhancements that promise to revolutionize the iPhone experience. This beta release, a precursor to the final version, gives developers and tech enthusiasts an early taste of what's to come, showcasing Apple's continuous effort in pushing the boundaries of its operating system. iOS 17.5 Seconds headline feature is a groundbreaking change for users in the European Union, allowing them to install iOS apps directly from developers' websites. This move, unprecedented in Apple's history, signifies a major shift in its approach to app distribution. It is a response to the EU's Digital Markets Act and a step towards a more open, diverse app ecosystem. This change not only benefits users by providing more app choices, but also empowers developers, especially smaller ones, to have greater control over the distribution of their apps. Another pivotal feature in iOS 17.5 is the introduction of a universal anti-stalking system. In an era where digital security and privacy are paramount, this feature offers a robust solution against stalking. By partnering with Google, Apple has integrated this system into the Find My app, allowing users to easily detect and disable unrecognized, non-Apple gadgets. This move is a testament to Apple's commitment to user safety and its proactive stance against digital threats. Beyond these key features, iOS 17.5 Beta 1 includes a host of other enhancements and fixes aimed at refining the overall user experience. From improved performance and stability to new customization options and security updates, every aspect of the iPhone is being enhanced. However, it's crucial to remember that as a beta release, iOS 17.5 is still a work in progress. It may contain bugs and is primarily designed for testing and development purposes. Users interested in experiencing these new features should approach with caution, as beta software can be unstable and potentially problematic for daily use. It's always advisable to back up your device before installing a beta version. As Apple forges ahead with iOS 17.5 Beta 1, it paves the way for more innovative and user-friendly experiences in future updates. The current beta is just a sneak peek into a future where flexibility, security, and user empowerment are at the forefront of Apple's iPhone operating system. Apple continues to innovate with the release of the iOS 17.5 Beta 1, a preview of the exciting features coming to iPhones. This latest update signifies a major leap in iOS development, offering new functionalities and enhancements that cater to user demands for more flexibility and security. The standout feature of iOS 17.5 is the ability for users in the European Union to install iOS apps directly from developers' websites. This marks a significant shift from Apple's traditional approach of restricting app downloads to its own App Store. By embracing the directives of the EU's Digital Markets Act, Apple is not only complying with new regulations, but also opening up a new realm of possibilities for app developers and users alike. This change democratizes the app ecosystem, allowing smaller developers to reach users directly and users to access a broader array of apps. In addition to this, iOS 17.5 is introducing a crucial security feature, a universal anti-stalking tool, developed in partnership with Google. This feature is integrated into the updated Find My app, allowing users to detect and disable non-Apple certified gadgets. This tool is a significant step in combating digital stalking, ensuring users' safety and privacy. While these features are exciting, it's important to remember that iOS 17.5 is currently in its beta phase. This means that the software is still in testing and development, intended for use primarily by developers. Users who are interested in exploring these features should proceed with caution, as beta versions can contain bugs and may not be suitable for everyday use. It's advised to back up data before installing the beta version to safeguard against potential data loss or other issues. Apple's iOS 17.5 Beta 1 is a glimpse into the future of iPhone operating systems, showcasing the company's commitment to innovation, user flexibility, and security. As the software continues to evolve, users can look forward to more groundbreaking features that enhance their digital experience. Apple's latest venture, iOS 17.5 Beta 1, signals a new era in the evolution of its mobile operating system, showcasing an array of features and improvements that are set to redefine the iPhone user experience. This beta release is a significant milestone, not only for developers, but also for tech enthusiasts eagerly anticipating the future of iOS. At the heart of iOS 17.5 lies a groundbreaking change for EU users: the ability to directly install iOS apps from developers' websites. This move marks a radical departure from Apple's long-standing policy of exclusively hosting apps on its App Store. This change, in compliance with the EU's Digital Markets Act, opens up a new world of opportunities, offering users more choices and granting developers, particularly smaller ones, greater autonomy in app distribution. This pivotal change is a nod to a more inclusive, accessible digital environment. Another cornerstone of iOS 17.5 is the implementation of a universal anti-stalking feature. Developed in collaboration with Google, this innovative security measure is integrated into the Find My app, enabling users to identify and deactivate unverified, non-Apple devices. This feature is a significant step forward in safeguarding privacy and security in the digital age, reflecting Apple's dedication to user safety. iOS 17.5 Beta 1 extends beyond these major updates, encompassing a variety of enhancements aimed at refining the overall iPhone experience. From smoother performance and enhanced stability to innovative customization features and vital security upgrades, the update touches every facet of the iPhone, striving for an optimal balance of functionality and user satisfaction. However, it's important to bear in mind that as a beta version, iOS 17.5 is still undergoing refinement. This early release is primarily intended for development and testing, and may exhibit bugs or instabilities. Users who are keen to test these new features are advised to proceed with caution. Data software can be unpredictable and may pose issues for daily use. A comprehensive backup of the device is recommended before installing any beta version. As Apple forges ahead with the development of iOS 17.5 Beta 1, it's paving the way for a future where flexibility, security, and user-centric design are at the forefront of its iPhone operating system. This beta release is just a preview of what's to come, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future brimming with innovation and enhanced user experiences.